It's a square. You want the top part level with that. So with that mark through there, it's roughly in the middle of that one there. So we've got to keep those consistent. And this other one. Whoa. Okay. So as you can see, I've run the that level vertical line up the edge of the hole there and that hole there, and that one's going through the center of that one. So what we need to keep in mind is once we've decided on that, we need to keep them all consistent. So if you've got a massive house that you need to put all these up on, you've got to keep those holes consistent all the way around, and you'll know that the fascia is level the whole way around the job.